What's your name?
Hello. My name's Diana,
Oh, okay. Okay,
and I'm a
Diana.
student at East Bay.
Ah, all right.
And I wanted to say that I think that the type of school makes a big difference.
Okay.
I went to Fremont High in Oakland
Mm-hmm.
for most of the time, and like I didn't see no inspiration. Like they don't really talk to you about college. But for my senior year, I went to Berkeley High, and there is like that's like the counselors were talking to me. They take you to way more field trips of different colleges. There's way more resources. They help you apply for scholarships, and that's really the reason why I went to college. If it wasn't for me transferring, I think I would have never made it to a state. I would have been going to, I'm not saying that Laney is a bad school, but, I got a better opportunity than if I would have stayed at where I was at Fremont.
Got you. You got more help you thought you got more help for you when you went to a different school.
Yeah, when I went to Berkeley High, it was like way more like scholarships. They got me into a lot of scholarships, a lot of programs that were very useful, and it really helped me and guided me. I also wanted to speak on the Asian part. How you guys say that many people say that Asians succeed better. I think is their surroundings. Like I'm Mexican, and my dad's a landscaper, and that's what I see growing up. Like he didn't really care about school. He didn't even graduate middle school. So I think that it's their surroundings. They're like their parents want them, or they have older siblings in college, and that's what they've seen all their lives. Like to me, like my older sister went to jail, and I think that a lot of people could connect with me that their older siblings weren't a good example, so they don't really know what to follow as of a person who already got family members in college that their siblings are telling them, oh, you need to go to college. It's a better life over here. That's what I try to do to my little sister.
Nice job,
so
Diana.
She will be able to get an opportunity.
Thanks for the call. I'm glad it worked out for you.